Hello and welcome to another Ultimate PC Tech video. So today I finally got in my mail a package from Newegg, and one of the components was this USB 2.0 high-speed card reader that reads all types of these flash memory cards onto a USB. And what I actually got this for was because my internal card reader on my desktop broke, so I needed a way to transfer XD, which is the format that my digital camera uses, and I also have some SD cards, but my laptop has SD reader, so there wasn't just the XD, so I got this all-in-one thing. And I read the reviews, and it's like pretty flimsy, and it's pretty cheap, and like these plastic parts break off pretty easy. So I don't know how it's gonna perform or anything like that, but from what it looks, it's pretty banged up thanks to Canada Post, but I think it should be okay. And so this is blue, and it's kind of see-through. You can see like the PCB board and the USBs right here, and this is where you put in your memory cards. And it's just one slot, and it's one slot fits all. So I'm gonna open this up, and I have no idea which company made it, so I don't know. And this was like $2 or $3, so okay. And here's the plastic, very basic packaging. And so here's some piece of paper. Okay, so it reads MS flash memory, MS Pro, MSDUO, and I think I have MS Pro and MSDUO, but I don't know where it is. This is MS Pro Duo, whatever that is. RS MMC, Mini SD, SD, MMC, XD, MS, CF, whatever that is, and MD. And nothing else too special. So focus, card reader, writer. General features are USB 2.0 and 1.1 compatible. Small external design makes it the best combination with PDA. Digital camera, laptop. No driver needed for Windows Me, 2000 or XP, and I think from one of the reviews it also works on Vista. Mac OS 8.69 X or higher. Plug and play, hot swappable, auto detects card type when inserted, LED power indicator, and high speed is 480 megabytes per second. Package contents, card reader, and these are the cards supported. So now for this thing. On this side we have it says it's a card reader thing, and you can actually see into the internal components, but I don't know. I'm probably not going to open this up and see unless it's broken. So this side is the USB, where it plugs into the computer. Nothing too special, just USB, and it works on USB 2.0. Then on this side, it's where the memory cards stick in. And so I don't know how this. So this pulls out like this, and then it flips over. Then you plug. Oops! Oh, this is broken now. See? I guess this is pretty flimsy, but whatever. I guess I'm not gonna return it. I broke it, so whatever. And here's the inside of it. Nothing too special, just so I'm gonna see. I'll be back with all my types of memory cards, and I'll try to stick these in and show you how much they protrude out the slot. So be right back. Hello, welcome back. And so here's our thing, and I got all my flash memory, and we're just gonna do a test to show like how much the flash memory sticks out of the card reader. And so I got an XSD card. It's actually an micro SD adapter, but it's basically the same thing. So stick this in. And by the way, this is really cheap, so it's only like $2 or $3, something like that. And as you can see, it sticks out about this much, so you won't be able to close the cover with this on, so you have to find a place to put these while you're carrying it around. And yeah, so next one we got Memory Stick Pro Duo 2 gigabytes, and stick this in. Now this pretty much sticks all the way in, so you can close it up with this in, so that should be no problem. And so, but it's a bit hard pulling it out, so be careful. Then now I got this Memory Stick Duo adapter, and this is pretty big, so whoa, so this sticks out like almost an inch out, so or like 2 centimeters, something like that. And so you won't be able to close this, and so that's it for our unboxing and overview. We're not going to do any tests on the speed because it's just a few bucks. You don't really need it. Just you pay what you get. You pay for what you get. Like don't expect this to be super good or super durable or super fast. As you can see, this is already broken. And let me see if I can actually fix it up. Oh, damn. Uh-oh. This might be done. Or not. Uh-oh. There. Got it back in. So this is pretty cheap. So don't expect this to be super great or super good. It's okay. It does its job. So this is ultimatepctech signing out.